So we've had rain for 45 minutes now, and it is absolute chaos. And look at the water running down here. There's lightning everywhere. So this is our rain meter after the rain this morning, and in 45 minutes it obviously overflowed, so we don't even have a correct reading. So it's 100 mil when it's full, you can see there, but there is 90, so it's already 110 at least, not even more because it gets wider to the top, and it overflowed. So we got between 110 and 140 millimeters in less than an hour this morning. That's crazy.